Friends, if you want to earn money online from the comfort of your home, you have clicked on the right video. Today, I'm going to tell you the easiest and 100% genuine way to earn money online. With this method, you can earn around 5K per day without any skills or investment, and around 1 lakh a month. Yes, this is absolutely true. Within 2 minutes, I made 758, and my total earnings for this week are 188, which I've transferred to my bank. This is the easiest and most genuine earning method. Now, who can do this? Whether you're a student, have completed 10th or 12th grade, a homemaker, a housewife, a working professional looking for extra income alongside your full-time job, or even a small business owner with a shop, this is for everyone. If you're over 18, you can easily earn 5K daily with just a few minutes of work. This job is offered by India's most trusted and fastest growing fintech company, Gomo. Simply download it from linkedinsign.com. After installing, the first thing you need to do is select your language. Choose English, Hindi, or any language you're comfortable with. I'll select English here, and then click Continue. Now, friends, just keep clicking on the next button. Look, a message appears saying earn over 1 lakh per month, meaning you can earn even more than 1 lakh. I will explain everything, so just follow carefully. Click on the Sign Up Now or Login button, verify your mobile number, and you'll be signed up easily. Let's quickly enter our phone number and OTP to sign up. Then, enter basic information like your full name, email ID, and occupation. For example, you're a student, select Student. If you're a homemaker, select that. Select whichever occupation fits you. I'll select Student here since that's my occupation. Then, you'll need to mention your qualification. The best part is that even if you're only 10th or 12th pass, you can still start. Since my qualification is postgraduate, I'll select that. After that, enter your date of birth and the sign-up process will be complete. Once you're signed up, you'll see an interface like this from where you can easily start earning lots of money. The easiest way to earn is through the Refer and Earn feature. By referring, you can earn Mount for free. All you need to do is click on the Refer and Earn banner and share the link with friends or family members via WhatsApp. You don't have to do much, just help them open a savings account with zero minimum balance. And for each account opened, you'll get paid. For example, if you open one savings account, you can earn him. If you open 3 to 4 accounts a day, you can earn around 5K more. Details next video, so like, comment, share, and subscribe channel.